Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best boat trailer bow roller is probably one of the most crucial components for safely and efficiently launching and retrieving your boat, acting as the primary point of contact between your vessel and the trailer during these critical maneuvers. A high-quality bow roller not only protects the hull of your boat from potential damage caused by friction and impact but also ensures a smooth, stable transition as it slides onto the trailer, preventing costly repairs and frustrating delays. Investing in the right bow roller means peace of mind, knowing your valuable watercraft is secure and well supported every time you hit the water or return to shore, making it an indispensable accessory for any boat owner. Number 5. Rhino USA Boat Winch Strap with Hook. Introducing the Rhino USA Boat Winch Strap, designed for ultimate reliability. It offers a brake strength of 5,016 pounds, ensuring your boat stays secure. We are an American-owned, family-operated business. Join the Rhino USA family and experience our top-notch, USA-based customer support. This is the ultimate marine strap, featuring a full-bend chromoly J-hook with a safety clip. It's built with corrosion and rust protection for lasting performance in marine environments. Its versatile design fits any trailer winch and is compatible with a wide range of watercraft. You can be confident that your watercraft is secure. Upgrading is simple. Just remove your old strap and anchor bolt, then attach this new heavy-duty strap to your winch spool for a quick and easy replacement. All our products come with a lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. This winch strap offers superior strength and durability for your boat trailer. Its corrosion-resistant hook ensures long-lasting performance in marine environments. If you're looking for a reliable, heavy-duty replacement that comes with a lifetime guarantee, this is the one for you. What people say. Strong enough strap to winch up my 20-foot center console. This thing is tough. The stitching all has double lock stitches, which will keep the thread from coming undone. The hook is sturdy, but not too big where it doesn't fit the loop easily. It's coated nice and I think it will last a long time. The little locker mechanism seems sturdy. The 2-inch by 20-foot strap is heavy-duty, yet flexible enough to handle easily. The stitching feels incredibly strong, and the hook is sturdy and secure, no worries about slipping or fraying. Number 4. Shoreline Marine 3-inch Super Bow Roller. Introducing the Shoreline Marine Super Bow Roller. This essential boat accessory is designed for smooth and easy launching. Measuring 3 inches, it provides the perfect fit for many boat trailers. Its robust construction ensures durability. The innovative 3-piece design significantly minimizes friction and drag. This makes launching your boat effortless. You can rely on its performance in any condition. It is completely unaffected by oil, gas, or salt. Experience a smoother, faster launch every time. This roller is a must-have for any boat owner. What we like. This bow roller is designed to make launching your boat a breeze. Its 3-piece construction minimizes friction and drag, while being unaffected by oil, gas, or salt. If you frequently launch in various conditions and want a smooth, effortless experience, this roller is a great choice. What people say. Perfect fit for my boat trailer. No more black scuffs on the bow. The center roller of this item is 3 wide, so make sure you measure only the center portion of your existing 3-piece roller before ordering. Well built, good addition to my boat trailer, rolls easily, does a good job of centering the boat. Number 3. 3-boat trailer bow roller assembly. Introducing our 3-inch bow roller assembly, designed to perfectly fit your 3-inch boat trailer bracket. It provides essential support for your boat during transport. Crafted from high-quality thermoplastic polyurethane, this roller is built for longevity. It won't rust, mark your boat, or develop flat spots, ensuring a smooth ride. This assembly includes the 3-inch bow roller, 2 end bells, and a 1/2-inch shaft. It's engineered to securely support your boat's weight on the trailer. The integrated end bells prevent your boat from scraping against the roller bracket or bolts. This ensures your vessel remains free from damage. Beyond just support, it effectively absorbs road shock, contributing to a safer and more stable towing experience. The overall width is 5 inches for maximum stability. What we like. This bow roller assembly is built to last and protect your boat. Made from polyurethane, it won't rust or mark your hull and even absorbs road shock. If you want to prevent damage to your boat and ensure a secure ride on the trailer, this assembly with its protective end bells is ideal. What people say. The roller feels solid and well built, and it glides smoothly when loading and unloading my boat. Installation was straightforward, the hardware fit perfectly, and I didn't need any special tools. It provides great support for the bow of the boat, reducing wear and making launching much easier. Easy to install, and it was flexible and fit perfect on the mount and up on the boat. Works great. Soft sides and ridged main part makes this bumper very good item. Recommend it fully. Number 2. For boat trailer bow roller assembly. Introducing our 4-inch boat trailer bow roller assembly. It's designed to keep your boat secure and centered on the trailer. Crafted from tough polyurethane, this roller won't rust or mark your boat's hull. It's built to withstand the elements and protect your investment. This assembly provides essential support for your boat's weight during transport. It effectively absorbs road shock for a smoother ride. The end bells are designed to prevent your boat from scraping against bolts or the roller bracket. This ensures a safe and secure fit. It helps to center your boat perfectly on the trailer. This prevents contact between the bow and the bow stand, ensuring a snug fit. With a 1-2-inch shaft and fitting a 4-inch bracket, this roller is designed for a secure and stable attachment to your trailer. What we like. This 4-inch bow roller assembly provides excellent protection and centering for your boat. Its polyurethane construction prevents rust and hull marks, while the end bells help center your vessel. If you have a larger boat or a wider bracket and are looking for superior hull protection and easier trailering, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The roller is a good size and fits perfectly on my boat trailer. It's made of durable material and seems like it will last a long time. The roller makes it easy to load and unload my boat. Number 1. Boat trailer roller assembly with bow stop bell. Introducing our robust boat trailer roller assembly, designed for ultimate boat support. It features a bow stop bell for added security and a 1-2-inch shaft for easy installation. Crafted from high-quality polyurethane, this roller will not rust or mark your boat. Its durable construction ensures it won't develop flat spots, even with heavy use. Engineered to perfectly support your boat's weight on the trailer. It effectively absorbs road shock, providing a smoother towing experience. The integrated end bells prevent your boat from scraping against the roller bracket or bolts. This ensures your vessel remains pristine during transport. Available in 3-inch and 4-inch sizes, each fitting corresponding brackets. The overall width with bells is 5 inches, with an inner roller width of 3 inches. Made from thermoplastic polyurethane elastomer, TPU, a resilient type of polyurethane. It's manufactured using an injection molding process for superior quality. What we like. This versatile bow roller assembly offers flexibility with its dual-size roller options. Constructed from durable polyurethane, it won't rust or mark your boat and effectively absorbs road shock. If you need a reliable roller that fits either a 3-inch or 4-inch bracket and provides excellent protection and smooth towing, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Works and looks as expected. Durable material. They came on time and fit perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.